Hi, I'm Tugba. Welcome to my channel, my dear friend. We will love it. I will give you a perfect recipe. I definitely recommend you to try it. Please turn up the volume of your video and listen to the crackling sound. You need an empty bottle. Heat the knife and cut the cap as in the video. Which country and city are you watching from? Write to me, please. This excites me to know. It should be like this. Cut off the back of the bottle. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 380 milliliters of water. Lena's questions never end. Put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. After boiling, add the flour. 220 grams of flour. Roast for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Those who love the cinnamon sugar stick recipe, this recipe is for you. Put the dough in the whisk and wait for it to cool. Roll out the dough this way so it can cool more easily. 3 eggs. Add the eggs one by one and whisk well. You can ask questions about me. I will answer seriously. It should be this way. Tie a string in the middle of the pot. The rope must be taut. Add plenty of oil to the pan. Fill the dough into the bottle. You can also use a piping bag. Press from the back with a glass and squeeze out the dough. squeeze all the dough into the cold oil. Shake the pan once in a while so the dough doesn't stick together. You can cut the rope. Turn on the fire and fry. Stir once it starts to brown. Fry, stirring occasionally, until it turns this color. Again, Lena asks questions. Two tablespoons of granulated sugar in a bag too. Tablespoons of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix well. Dip the fried dough into the mixture. You can send pictures of the recipes you have tried on Instagram. I'm so happy! Cinnamon sticks are ready to eat. Serve with white chocolate and milk chocolate. Turn up the volume of the video and listen to the crunchy. Sunde, bon appétit! Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the new video. Goodbye.